Hello everyone, I am Shivam Pasari and welcome to ASN Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another good question from the topic of number system, and the question has been taken from the XAT 2023 exam. Now the question is as follows. Amit has forgotten his 4-digit locker key. He remembers that all the digits are positive integers and are different from each other. Moreover, the 4th digit is the smallest and the maximum value of the first digit is 3. Also, he recalls that if he divides the second digit by the third digit, he gets the first digit. How many different combinations does Amit have to try for unlocking the locker? So this was our question, and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come back to the video for the solution. I hope that you've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to a given question, we have to find the 4-digit locker key that Amit has forgotten and how many different combinations that Amit have to try before unlocking the locker. Now it seems to be a big question and you may think that it is difficult, but it is not. If you see the information that is given, we can easily find a solution. So let's jot down what is given and then make a question simpler. So it is given that Amit has forgotten his 4-digit locker key. So we know that it is a 4-digit number. So we write 4 spaces and let's take each space as A, B, C and D respectively. So the first digit is A, second digit is B, third digit is C and the fourth digit is D. Now it is given that he remembers that all digits are positive integers and are different from each other. So all the digits are positive integers. So we have from 1 to 9 A, B, C, D, and all of them are different from each other. So A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C, and C is not equal to D. Now it is given that, moreover, the 4th digit is the smallest. So we know that D is the smallest value among all the digits, and maximum value of the first digit is 3. So since A, B, C, D can take values from 1 to 9, so A can be either equal to 1, 2 or 3. Now it is given that also he recalls that if he divides the second digit by the third digit, so if he divides the second digit by the third digit, he gets the first digit. So it is given that if we divide B by C, we get A, the first digit. So how many different combinations that Amit have to try for unlocking the locker? So if you think carefully, if I divide B and C and I'll get A, then A cannot be equal to 1 because it implies that B and C are same, but it is also given that B and C are different as all the digits are different. So A cannot be equal to 1. So we have only two options for A, that is 2 and 3. So let's take A as 2 for our first case. So if A is equal to 2, what are the possible combinations for B and C? So if I divide B by C and I have to get 2, I have this many combinations. So if I take B as 4, C can be 2. If I take B as 3, then C has no number. If I take C as 3, then B can be equal to 6. So I have 6 by 3. And if I take B as 8, then C can be 4. And there is no other option left. Now it is given that 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So I'll get 2. 6 by 3 is equal to 2. So I'll get 2. And 8 by 4 is also equal to 2. I'll get 2. That is satisfying my first case A is equal to 2. But in this, you can see that 4 by 2, I am having again a 2 over here, and A, B and C, D are all different. So this is not possible. Take A is equal to 3. So I have A is equal to 3 and I want B by C is equal to 3. So I can have 6 by 2 is equal to 3. And I can also have 9 by 3 is equal to 3. So these two are the values. Now I can see that again I have 3 coming up. So this is not the case. This can be my case, this can be my case, and this can be my case. So let's find out how many values of D can be possible. So I have 2, 6, 3 and then 1D over here. Then I can have 2, 8, 4 and 1D over here. And I can also have 3, 6, 2 and 1D over here. Now how many values of D can we take? Now D is the smallest and D can range from 1 to 9. So only possible value of D is 1 over here. Again, D is the smallest and it can only take 1 over here. And same in the third case, it can only have 1 over here. So in total, we have 3 cases. So our answer for this question is 3.